Hi everyone, let's talk about question number 43 permutation. We have an array. We want to find all of its permutations. There are two ways to do that. The easier way is this one, which this guy here is describing. So the concept is okay, we are going to have a backtracking function which is going to keep the remaining in the path. Remaining, so if there is no remaining, that's the result, send it there. We are going to do a loop. Each time we are going to remove an item and adding it to the path. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3. What are the options? Once A is going to be the start, another time 2 is going to be the start, another time 3 is going to be the start. And then these are going to be the remaining items. And we go from there. That's one way to solve it. It is easy and kind of makes sense. The other way, which is faster for some reason, which I think here is my guess. Here, if we have a couple of numbers, we are doing some repetitions, not for 1, 2, 3, but if let's say, I think if you have 4 number, then maybe you are calculating 1 and 3 here, and then 1 and 3 somewhere else. So it's possible that we have some duplications. This method is much faster. It doesn't have any duplicate, but it's harder. The concept of iterative or backtrack is easy. Here we are going to saying, okay, we have a counter which is going to start from 0 and we are going to keep increasing it to the end. If we are already at the end, we know we have just one possible permutation, which is this one. Okay, and then what we do, that's basically going to be your base case. Each time, then this is the logic. Each time we are gonna get all the permutations for rest of the array. Let's put it that way. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. When we want to get the answer, let's say if we get all the permutations for 4, 2, 3, and 4. Let's say we have all the permutations. And then we add 1 in all of its elements. For example, one option is 2, 3, 4. What is the other one? 2, 4, 3. Let's get all of them, which is going to be temp. So dp for current plus 1. So first we had 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are getting the permutation for just 2, 3, 4. Let's get all of them. And it's going to continue here. So if all of the permutations, okay, if we add, there are different elements. If we add 1 everywhere here, then it's going to be a result. So once we are going to add 1 here, then 1 at here, here, here at the end. The same thing. 1 here, 1 here, here, here. So how do we do that? We are going to go through the items. So that's going to be your temp. And item is going to be each of these ones. So for each of these ones, we are going to say, okay, stop at X, add this current value, and then continue. And then this is going to be one line of the answer. When you have all of them, this is going to be the answer. You are there. And here is another note. The first thing should be an array of array. So here for when we are doing, let's say 4, so we know that temp is array of array. So here is array of array. Why is array of array? Because of this format is an array of array. That's the base case. So that's, I think, it. This is about it takes half of the time of the other one. I tried almost everything that were on YouTube or other descriptions. This way, which I think I don't have any reference for that, is the fastest. I think it's as about 2 times faster than the all other solutions. I know it's a little bit tricky. So what are the tricky parts? Tricky parts are here that you should have two bracket. Here you should know what you're doing. And okay, if you here is what I'm suggesting. If you go to um, my solution for number 40 or 39, you see how here it is kind of similar. So you see here we have I don't care about the dictionary. Um, it's kind of so the concept that we are gonna do, we are gonna have a temp here, and then based on the temp we are gonna make a rest. Here's the thing, same thing. We are gonna have the temp which is for rest of the for for these ones, and then based on these we are gonna make a response. I hope it's all clear now.